Hi, I'm Karen Spiegel, Riverside County's 2nd District Supervisor. In 2019, I recognized a need to bring together county departments and cities to address the growing humanitarian and environmental issues plaguing the Santa Ana Riverbed. This initiative has required significant investments, and I am grateful to all the partners who answered the call and immediately began the work. Through the state's encampment program, we received $11 million investment. We built onto the initiative by restoring public spaces, connecting individuals to housing and critical services, and ensuring a healthier environment for everyone.
And I am proud that this model initiative is now being replicated in other areas of the county to build on the successes of this program. HWS has coordinated this effort under the leadership of Supervisor Spiegel by bringing together behavioral health professionals, housing specialists, law enforcement, and social services to make a real difference. I'm proud to say that to date, 188 persons have been relocated from the riverbed and into housing.
While enforcement efforts are sometimes necessary, this initiative has allowed our parks team to remain mission-focused, putting people first while maintaining environmental stewardship and preserving the beauty of our natural spaces for future generations. By working together, we're restoring these lands while creating a path forward for those in need.
The county and respective cities of Corona, Eastvale, Jurupa Valley, Norco, and Riverside join together to move these initiatives into action. We're meeting regularly and oftentimes daily to plan.
At the Housing Authority of the County of Riverside, our heart centers around finding an affordable home for every single person. We believe that housing is the foundation for stability, community, and opportunity.
We too find this effort extremely rewarding, and at Riverside University Health System's Behavioral Health, we understand the importance of meeting and treating people where they are, recognizing that each person's journey is unique.
For Animal Services, we recognize that this initiative is important because our mission centers protecting the well-being of animals and the communities we serve.
We're CityNet. We're a nonprofit that partners with cities and counties throughout Riverside County. This is the Corona Norco team. We recognize the importance of partnering with cities and the county to be able to provide services and meet clients where they're at to bring those services to them.
Path to Life Ministry has been serving the displaced and homelessness for the last 25 years. We are honored to be a partner with the County of Riverside in doing this work.
With this project, we were able to extend supportive housing and services to some of the most vulnerable clients that reside in our community. We worked alongside many of our partners, including several departments from the County of Riverside, to help those in need. The city is balancing the quality of life with its residents and businesses by addressing encampments while providing resources to help individuals to help themselves get off the streets. Our teams go out 7 days a week to build relationships and develop trust with our unhoused population. The city is providing resources to prevent first-time homelessness and help individuals get off the streets through shelter, housing, and case management.
The City of Corona is extremely excited to be a part of this innovative, collaborative project, and we love it because it involves all of the cities in the Western region working together to address a very serious problem, which is hundreds of people that have been living unhoused and in encampments in the Santa Ana Riverbed.
This is a year-round problem for us. When I say problem, I mean the potential risks that arise from the Santa Ana River bottom. And obviously the summer and the fall, even in spring, we have the impacts of wildfires. In the winter months, we have a significant impact from rains. So we have flooding, we have swift water rescues, we have standing water rescues. So our goal is to work on innovative solutions on how we can bring treatment and assessments to the homeless population in advance of going to the hospital. So we're fortunate enough to have 2 members from CityNet embedded here at Fire Headquarters, and they work directly with our emergency medical services, our EMS team, in order to decrease the impacts to the 911 system as well as the general pre-hospital care system, and then eventually the hospital care system.
So if you think about it, it's literally an A to Z system, from the streets into shelter and services, onto housing, and then even post-housing placement case management services to make sure that housing retention is strong.
To have dedicated funding provided to serve the residents and try to transition them into homes is super valuable to us. So you're trying to provide the services that they will need to really transition in a sustainable way out of homelessness. And these grants and these dollars will help us provide that kind of, hopefully, sustainable program.
I'm probably as happy as I've been in a long time. I'm glad to say I have a home. That when I hear myself say that, I'm sort of shocked, you know? And this is what you gain from getting involved in something like the housing authorities, is that you apply yourself to their program and their rules, and then your quality of your life blossoms, it blows up. And if you stick with it long enough, you start feeling the benefits of it, and it feels good.